Hey guys, welcome back to another Instant Pot video. Today I'll be showing you how to boil potatoes in the Instant Pot, and it's gonna make your life so much easier. You have the convenience to just put the potatoes in the Instant Pot and forget about it, and they will be perfect every time. I love having some boiled potatoes at hand with me in the fridge because I can use them for a lot of recipes like sandwiches, cutlets, burgers, different sort of vegetable curries. Don't use them for mashed potatoes. For my personal experience, potatoes have to be nice, fresh and warm. Hot if you can. And they make the best mashed potatoes. If you want a recipe for mashed potatoes, leave that down in the comments below. Tonight I'll be making these potatoes into the most delicious North Indian aloo dum home style recipe. And you can see the recipe for that in the link right above here. It's gonna be great. So let's get started right now. So first go ahead and give your potatoes a nice rinse and then transfer it over to the Instant Pot. Make sure to put a trivet on the Instant Pot and put the potatoes on top. Then pour in about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of water and close the Instant Pot. You only need a little bit of water just so it's enough to build up steam, because yes, we will be steaming our potatoes in the Instant Pot. So select the steam mode and cook this for about 10 minutes and let the timer count down. Make sure that the Instant Pot is in sealing mode. Now as the potatoes cook, I want to give you a few pointers. The cooking time will not remain at 10 minutes at all times. It will depend on the size of the potato. The potatoes that I use today, they weigh between 6 to 7 ounces. So for a potato that's that much in weight, you want to cook them for about 10 minutes in steam mode. And if the potato weight is about 9 ounces, then increase the time to about 12 minutes. And you can go on from there. If the potato is 10 ounces, increase the time from 13 to 15 minutes. And in case your potatoes are super big and bulky, make sure to poke it with a fork just so that the steam can go in the potato and cook it really nice. Once the timer goes off, let the pressure release naturally. The potatoes are still cooking. Now once the pressure has naturally released, make sure you check that the potatoes are completely cooked just in case. So just take a fork or a knife and try to go through the potato. If you can easily go through the center easily, then you're all good. In case it's still raw in the center, close the lid back on and cook it for about 2 to 3 more minutes. The pressure has all been released naturally. A good sign for that is when this little silver knob here has receded. So let's open it. That's perfect. I can go all the way in. Same for this one. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope this is going to be a really nice new skill which you've learned of what your Instant Pot can do. And this video is not sponsored. I just love my Instant Pot so much. If you want me to make more videos on Instant Pot, leave it down in the comment section down below. Be sure to show your love by giving this video a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss out on any new awesome content, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon down below. And all my social media links are listed down below. I'll see you guys again on the next one.